Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing one of the simplest but most powerful drinks I've added to my gut healing routine, my strawberry infused water using okra. This isn't just about digestion, this supports women's internal healing, hormone balance, skin bloating, and even helps your body cleanse from the inside out. As you can see here, okra is the star ingredient. Okra is rich in soluble fiber and natural mucilage, which means it forms this gel-like texture that coats and heals your gut lining, which is something that I love. This is huge if you deal with bloating, constipation, things like leaky gut, inflammation, or even hormonal imbalance. When your gut lining is healthy, your body absorbs nutrients better and eliminates waste more efficiently, which also supports vaginal health, pH balance, and overall internal cleansing for women. So this supports women's internal health, like I was saying, your skin, which is something that I love because I dealt with hormonal acne for so long after having my two kids. So I truly enjoy having infused water and detox juices. If you've been feeling inflamed, backed up, bloated, or just off in your body, this is definitely something that I highly recommend. Okay, no, I'm not a doctor or a physician. I'm just a girly out here testing different things, going through trial and error, seeing what works for me. And this is something that I highly recommend for the girls, even men. Next, we add strawberries. Now, strawberries are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and feed the good bacteria in your gut. Now, they also help balance blood sugar, which is important for hormone health, skin, and energy levels, especially for women. Now, you can use different fruits. I like incorporating different fruits that's very good for gut healing, like pineapple, blueberries, you have cherries. Oh, I can't wait to introduce y'all to the cherry juice. That is a game changer. And I just love incorporating different fruits. You can also add mint or lemon that'll help with the taste and, help get the texture down. Now, this strainer right here is one of my go-to wellness tools. I use it for anything infused, pickled, or sold. It makes separating the water from the fruit so much more easier, and I have it linked in my Amazon storefront under my wellness essentials, which is linked in the description box if you want one just like this. I highly recommend. I went ahead and added the ingredients into the container with water. And sometimes I use coconut water. You can use pineapple juice, watermelon juice. Just switch it up and make it fun and interesting. Okay, so once everything is in, we just add our water, we seal it up, and I'm going to refrigerate it. So you want to let this sit for at least 4 hours. That's a minimum, okay? But trust me, overnight is best so all the nutrients in that okra gel can fully infuse into the water, okay? So it was the next day, you'll notice the water will thicken a little. That's the okra doing its thing. That gel is what helps soothe the gut, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie. Let's get to the real nitty gritty, right? Sometimes I hold my breath when I drink this, just because of the texture. Your mouth will adjust and it will get easier. I could definitely say that. It's just the first like 2 seconds. I'm like, oh gosh. But then I get pretty, adjusted to it. So, like I said before, adding fruits, mint, or lemon helps with flavor and digestion. They're all very good ingredients that help with gut health. Now, you can also eat okra whole, add it to salads, you can cook it, or even make okra soup. But this water, y'all, it gives me the fastest results. This drink supports women's internal health, vaginal balance, hormone regulation, digestion, and bloating. But men benefit too. It supports gut health, blood sugar balance, inflammation, and even heart health. A healthy gut affects every system in your body. When your gut is healthy, it shows on your skin. Less inflammation means clearer skin, right? Better energy and better nutrient absorption. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you grab my online wellness workbook. It's linked below and it has more gut healing recipes, resets, and routines just like this. Let me know in the comments what you enjoyed most, the benefits, the recipe, or the wellness tips. And tell me if you want more videos like this. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs a gut reset. See you in the next video.